Alright guys, well it stopped raining and in between the filming I got distracted and I fell over. That couple that was singing earlier, they were singing happy birthday to Irene again. And I got sidetracked and fell over this little embankment. That was embarrassing. I don't know, baby. I'm just a clumsy American. I'm a clumsy foreigner, baby. That's just how I am. Just the bamboo maze. This is kind of cool.
Please wear your mask.
Yeah. See those people? They don't got their mask on. See over there? I got proof. It's on video, baby. Yeah, it's pretty out here. Remember we went walking down there last time. You want to go down there? Huh? Hmm? We can go down here. Come on.
Oh, please.
Slippery. Be careful, baby.
You be careful.
Don't fall. She's like, yeah, right. She's like, yeah. She's like, look who's talking.
Hello, birdie.
Yeah, we got these birds up in here. There's a bird up in there, as you can see. Can't see very well. And that sign right there probably, that sign probably shows what kind of bird it is. Oh, there it is.
White. Cockatoo.
Yeah, white cockatoo. Oh, look at there.
What is that? Peacock?
Oh, look at the little baby.
No, it's baby, please.
Look at the baby. Baby peacocks.
Baby peacock?
That's a white cockatoo up there. Yeah, that's a white cockatoo. Yeah. Huh?
What kind of bird is that?
I don't know. Let's go see. Let's go see, baby. It's a golden pheasant. Golden pheasant. Yeah, golden pheasant. It's awfully pretty. I like the colors. Yeah, that's cool. Hmm?
What's
Yeah, it's awfully cute. Awfully cutie, little cutie patootie. Yeah. Cute. Hey, here's some lovebirds, baby. Some yellow redneck. Oh, ring. I thought it said yellow redneck. It says yellow ringneck lovebirds. Yeah, right there.
How about this one though? Oh, there's a monkey.
Cute. Oh, the lovebirds aren't together, baby.
Where? Oh,
See, one lovebird's over there and the other lovebird's over there. I don't think they're lovebirds anymore, baby.
why?
And they're kind of separated.
Mm.
I think they must be fighting. They're having a lovers fest, or yeah, whatever the hell I'm trying to think of. Love spat. Lovers quarrel.
Where did it go?
Huh?
How about this one? What do you think?
That one that looks like a chicken. That looks like a chicken to me. That's tomorrow's dinner. That's what that is. What?
It's a
Blue crown pigeon. Oh. Wow. Blue crown pigeon.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that's neat. Where to, baby?
Oh, it's raining.
I think it's just water dripping from the leaves.
So,
Head back the other way. What's in the big cage?
huh?
What's in that big cage?
I
Over there?
don't know.
You want to see?
No.
Oh my God. What, baby? Oh my God. Jeez.
It's dangerous. Oh, where are you going?
What do you mean it's dangerous? She's worried about me falling. It's another cockatoo. Another white cockatoo. I don't know if there's any bird lovers around here, but I'm coming, baby. Yes, mama. Yes, mom. Where to, mom?
Oh my God, where are they?
Huh? Low-hanging branches here. Yeah, they have a lot of photo shoots out here. That's cool. That's cool. You know how I am, baby. Mm-hmm. I just love all this greenery. It's nice.
Where we go next?
I don't know where you want to go, baby.
Dili man ko, di man mo bayad sa entrance sa gate no. Mubayad mo mudra.
Yeah, our sister Joan's been out here for a while, but we can't seem to locate them anywhere.
Na namin diri sa sulod. Kay inig sulod mo tagaan kag ticket. Nakapasulod jud diri.
So we don't know where they're at. Where are they at?
The entrance gate.
Down where? Where are they at? They're coming? Okay. Yay!
Yeah, Danny.
So how does it feel to be 39? So what do you want to do after we leave here? Huh?
And eat dinner
Yeah.
with Joan.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, they were wanting to take you out to eat.
They want to treat us.
Oi, oi. I like that sign up there.
God, I'm so nervous.
I like the sign.
What are you gonna sign?
I love Eden.
No.
I gotta read it backwards. Huh?
It's look like a Japanese house.
Gazebo? Gazebo? It's a gazebo.
Is that right? Gazebo?
You think I don't know what I'm talking about?
Oh!
You don't think I know what? Yeah, it looks like a gazebo. Or a gazebo lake. Because in the United States, you know, a lot of people build structures like that behind their houses. And they call them gazebos. It's like and they usually have like a around the edges sitting area where you can sit down around the edges. Yeah. But the roof is similar, you know. Yeah. Yep. All right, guys. Well, I don't know where Joan and Irene's kids are, and Jillian, but I guess eventually they'll show up. So, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next episode.